Hi everybody, it's Lavinia. Welcome to my channel. Today is my daily art challenge day 11. So this is my 11th day that I'm trying to do some sort of form of art for the month of April and hopefully continue on then. So you may have seen me paint this in one of my other days of a challenge, and I think I may have posted this on my community page in case you had wanted to follow along. If I didn't, I will go ahead and post this, but this is just a background in watercolor in my watercolor sketchbook. And my inspiration was this garden gate right here, this one here, from this Sunset Western Landscaping book. So I have my markers here, my Micron PN markers in different colors. So you've seen me use these. So it's just a matter of doodling on there. I'm not sure if I'm going to use every color. And then I have some Jelly Roll pens as well in different sizes, and I may or may not use that. But I'm going to go ahead and get started here. And again, the picture is just for reference. And I'm going to go ahead, I think, and I'm going to go ahead and start with this light fixture. So I'm using this brown. And these are, again, the Sigma Micron PN archival ink. So I think what I'm going to do is just start by outlining this. Again, just something fun to do, relaxing. You can put some music on. Maybe I'll create some bars here like that. Again, not doing exactly like the reference photo. What's nice about these are that they are archival and waterproof. So if I do want to go back in maybe and put some more brown watercolor on here, it won't bleed. So I'm going to continue on here with this archway. I hope everyone had a good Easter. Again, it's starting to get warm here, which is nice. Went on a bike ride yesterday. So I am just going to go ahead and continue with this. And I will then put some more brown watercolor in here just to make that semblance of the iron gate. As you can see, I'm not following along as to what's in the reference photo. I'm making my own design. I'm going to put this terracotta cobblestone in. Just going to put some more of these leaves. And I don't want to make this video too long, but that's pretty much what I'm doing here. And I will then show you the finished product, the finished design. I'm using my watercolors, the dark brown, and I'm using the brush that came with the pan set to fill in the iron gate. this is just my sketchbook, so it's just to try out again my tools, different techniques. If you don't practice, you'll never know what things turn out to be. I do like this half pan set from Master's Touch. Okay, so I'll continue on with this, and when I'm done, I'll show you what it looks like, but I have put in more of the lines for the greenery, so it's pretty much just working on the ironwork, so to speak, of the picture. I'm adding a little bit more dark green here, just to give it a little bit of a change up in value. Again, that ink is waterproof, so it'll take that. But I'm pretty much done. I also gave it a little bit of a yellow highlight here just to make it seem as if there's glass. And I put some yellow here in the lantern. So thanks so much for watching, everyone. I really had fun doing this. I hope you liked it, and I will see you in the next video. Thanks so much for watching, everyone. Take care. Bye.